MrBeast builds and gives away 100 homes for free in Jamaica, Argentina, and other countries. YouTube's most subscribed creator, MrBeast, has made new advances in his charitable ventures by constructing and donating 100 fully furnished homes to various families in need. The video, uploaded by Jimmy on his YouTube channel on June 29, 2024, spanned multiple countries, including Jamaica, Argentina, El Salvador, Mexico, and Colombia. Many of the families MrBeast helped in the video had lost their homes to natural calamities, or had been living in poorly built structures that had eventually collapsed. As is typical for MrBeast, he and his team not only generously provided the families with houses to live in, but they also provided the newly formed communities and neighborhoods with a football ground, free football gear, and bicycles. They even gave a new motorbike to a family with no means of transport. Jimmy, MrBeast, is known for his opulence and his tendency to use his wealth for the good of people in need across the globe. The creator even has a separate channel for his charitable work, Beast Philanthropy, where he has over 25 million subscribers. However, the current video was uploaded to his main channel, where he has a massive 292 million subscribers. Within the video, Jimmy showcased the building process of the houses with the partners that he teamed up with for the video, including New Story Homes, Food for the Poor, and Latin American non-profit TECO, also known as Un Techo para mi país, a roof for my country. The creator provided the families with basic amenities including shelter, stored water, and electricity. He also gave them the deeds of the new houses, making them the legal owners of these properties. Furthermore, Jimmy helped out families in El Salvador who were already displaced by or at risk of being displaced by flash floods by making a row of new houses away from the water source and providing them a haven. To provide the hundreds of kids within the local community an area to play, he even created a new football field and provided them with new football equipment fresh out of the boxes. While thanking his audience for watching the videos and thus helping fund such philanthropic ventures, Jimmy stated that he would like to give away 1,000 houses in the future. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.